Hello dear kids, like and subscribe my channel. Let's we play. Hey, rescue team is coming to help the troll who fell into the water. I'm coming. Everybody, don't worry. We help you. Hey kids, I am safely. Come on. Trolla. My boat is in water. And the tow car and the rescue team is come to help us. The two excavators working together for leveling down the water. Yeah. The water is leveling down and we easily help the boat. The water is going very fast and level of the water is down. Yeah. Hee 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 hee. I have the boat. And tow. Up, 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 up. Yeah. Now the trawler. Yeah. Rala is going from the muddy water. No, the dumper. The dumper is loaded with strawberries. Yeah. The dumper is safe strawberries from the muddy and dirty water.